Hello guys, this is Yasser, your English teacher, and today we will learn about our daily routines. Ready? Lovely. Okay, by the end of this lesson, you will learn new vocabulary related to daily routines, and also you will practice pronunciation, and finally, you will understand the use of vocabulary in simple sentences. Let's start. The first question is, what time do you wake up? 5? 6? Okay, that's great. So, do you have breakfast every day? Yes? Mm-hmm. You are lucky. Okay. What can you see in this slide? Here we have 8 photos. The first one, yes, it can be breakfast. Mm-hmm. Another one, okay. Someone is washing his face. Okay. Okay. So, if you don't know some of them, don't worry. At the end of this session, you will be able to create sentences on each photo. Now it's your turn. In this part, I need you to just match each expression from 1 to 8 with these photos from A to H. Okay, the first one, wake up. 2, wash my face. 3, brush my teeth. 4, have breakfast. 5, get dressed. 6, comb my hair. 7, go to work. 8, come home. Match as much as you can, and we will check the answers after the explanation of each expression. The first expression is yes, wake up. Wake up. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Perfect. Which time do you wake up? Okay, perfect. Next one. Lovely. Wash my face. For example, I wash up my face at 6:15 a.m. Perfect. Brush my teeth. Yes, brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Have breakfast. Okay. For example, I have my breakfast at 6:30 a.m. Get dressed. Get dressed. Of course, after having breakfast, we get dressed to go to our work or school. I get dressed at 6:45 a.m. Comb my hair. Comb my hair. Okay, pay attention that we don't pronounce the letter B in comb. We say comb my hair. Yes, perfect. I comb my hair. After that, we have to go to work. I go to work at 7 a.m. Finally, of course, I come back home at 5 p.m. Come home. Okay, I think now you can match these expressions with these photos. Is it right? Great. Yes, let's check the answers. Yes, I wake up. Yes, perfect. C, wash my face. B, brush my teeth. D, have breakfast. A. Get dressed. F. Comb my hair. G. Go to work. E. Come home. H. Perfect. Now, let's move to the structure of simple sentences. Okay, as you know, yes, in this with this photo we have I wake up at 6 o'clock. Is it right? So let's divide this sentence into three parts. Now let's move to the structure of simple sentences. Okay, let's start with the first sentence. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Okay, so let's divide this sentence into three parts. The first part I, the second part wake up, the third part at 6 o'clock. Okay, so I here is the subject. Okay, wake up is the verb. At 6 o'clock is the object, or we can call it complement. Mhm. Again, I wash up my face at 6:15 a.m. Perfect. I, subject, wash up, verb, my face at 6:15 a.m. is an object or complement. Okay, perfect. Okay, we have the same rule in each sentence. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. Okay, that's great. Now, now this is your exercise. Fill in the blanks. Here we have some verbs and you have to use them here in this part. Okay. I space at 7 a.m. Yes, I wake up. Perfect. Number two, I space my face. Great. I wash my face. And brush my teeth. Perfect. Then I have breakfast. After that, I, yes, get dressed and comb my hair. Okay. 7. I space to work. I go to work at 8 a.m. I space back home at 5 p.m. I come back home at 5 p.m. Here are the answers. Perfect. Okay. Now it's your turn. I need each one of you to write at least 6 sentences about your daily routine. Yes, use I and then use one of these expressions in each sentence. Tell me, which time do you wake up? 6, 5, 7, or 11? And which time you wash your face and brush your teeth and then have breakfast? Okay, perfect. I will see this homework next time. Thank you so much.